Students, welcome back to Eduauraa. This is your biology teacher Mustafa Sakarwala. Let's understand the structure of the neuron in detail. Here you have the structure of neuron. If you notice, there are three main parts of a neuron. You have the cell body called the cyton, then the cell processes called the axon and the dendrites. Let's understand the cell body now in complete detail. The main portion of the neuron is called the soma or cell body. It contains a nucleus, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, and other cellular components. However, please note, it's very important to note this. Centromeres are absent in nerve cells. Hence, neuron as a cell cannot divide and reproduce. This makes disease affecting the brain particularly crippling. Then you have the dendrite. Each neuron can have many dendrites. They look somewhat like roots growing out of the cell body. Their job is to receive messages from other neurons and allow those messages to travel to the cell body. An axon looks like a long stem growing off the cell body. Axons carry electrical messages away from the nerve cell body. Therefore, nodes of reindeer. The end portions of the axon stores certain chemicals called as neurotransmitters. Now, these are chemical substances. Let's understand what are neurotransmitters. You break neurotransmitter into two words, neurotransmitter. Neuro relates to the nervous system. Transmitter is something what connects, what sends messages from one portion to the other portion. So these chemical substances called as neurotransmitter, they help in conveying messages from one cell to another cell. The axon terminals are closely placed near the dendrites of another one or more neurons. However, they are not connected and there is a gap between them. The neurotransmitter is in this gap. This entire space is called as a synaptic cleft. Transmission of nerve impulse. A single neuron can't do very much by itself, and the nervous system function depends on groups of neurons that work together. Just like you use words to communicate with your friends, neurons communicate with each other using chemical signals. Stay connected with me for the next class in the nervous system. Your teacher Mustafa Sakarwala signing off for the day. Thank you.